Let's talk about Monopoly. Yeah, I know Monopoly, but it is Leeds and Monopoly Leeds edition. The iconic board game Monopoly is coming to Leeds this summer, delivering a life-size treat. Free and family-friendly, the Monopoly Leeds Takeover invites players to explore 22 key locations, solve puzzles, play minigames and discover giant tokens scattered across 8 themed zones. All you have to do is grab a map and join in the fun. The Monopoly Leeds Takeover, brought to the city by Leeds Bid, under licence from Hasbro, is a unique event celebrating Leeds' rich gaming heritage while offering activities, entertainment and prizes for all ages. It will launch on Saturday, July 27th and run until Sunday, September the 1st. A key attribute of placemaking is honouring our place's rich heritage, and this year Leeds Bid has looked at a new and innovative way of animating the city centre that does just that, said Andrew Cooper, Chief Executive at Leeds Bid. Monopoly Leeds Takeover is an ultimate placemaking game, paying homage to the city where it was produced so many years ago, with local streets and landmarks representing as a board. In collaboration with key partners, we are providing a free, large-scale, family-friendly activity during school summer holidays to inspire people of all ages to come by and have fun exploring Leeds, while helping drive that essential economic impact for businesses. Combining key elements of the traditional game with the feel of a scavenger hunt, the Monopoly Leeds Takeover will bring people on an adventure across the city centre. Key locations and landmarks across Leeds City Centre will be featured as the board, giant tokens, clues, games and puzzles around every corner for players to discover and solve. The city centre will be mapped out like a giant Monopoly board and divided into coloured zones, each with its own life-size Monopoly token housed in key retail locations. People can hunt down famous options such as the battleship, boat, duck, iron, racing car, Scotty dog, top hat or wheelbarrow. Like the board game, the Monopoly Leeds Takeover includes real streets, a total of 22 across the city centre, in addition to incorporating key transport locations such as Leeds City Station, Leeds Bus Station, Wellington Place Lifting Tower and Leeds Dock Water Taxi. Key partners working with Leeds Bid in bringing the Monopoly Leeds Takeover to the city include Child Friendly Leeds, Leeds Corn Exchange, Merrion Centre, Royal Armouries, St John's Centre, The Light, Trinity Leeds, The Junction and Victoria Leeds. Child Friendly Leeds was established with the ambition to make Leeds the best city to grow up in. Leeds Bid has been on the forefront of making Leeds City Centre a place to visit and have fun, while being inclusive of all children and families, especially during school holidays. Capturing the views of 800,000 children and the young people of the city, we launched 12 wishes for Leeds. One of them being that the children, young people and families feel that there is a better promotion of communication of fun and free things to do and places to go within the city. The Monopoly Leeds Takeover is exactly that, and we want to ensure as many families as possible can experience this wonderful free event in the city.